Now that I got everything marked, I'm going to start welding.
Maybe that's a voice. Don't cut me off like I don't have a voice. I think I was born different, I ain't really have a choice, yeah. Class of session, you are hourly. Don't play with me, today is not the day. Pay attention, I am not deranged. I could tell you what I'm thinking, I just don't know how to say it. Maybe I get in your nerves, I mean what I say. I've been a man on my word, yeah, I'm wide awake. Maybe a little disturbed, but that's just me.
I'll show you guys what I've been doing. Been stitch welding everywhere there was a seam, measured about an inch apart from each spot, and put a spot. Engine bay is done. Once I get done stripping a little bit of more undercoating, I'm going to finish prepping for paint. I'm going to prime it and then install new seam sealer. And then repaint it or reprime it, and then lay in some base coat and clear coat down. Next thing I'm going to be working on is spot welding the wheel wells. Want to get those done before I do any painting, because I might burn through the new paint. Still got a lot more stripping to do. A lot more boring hours. Appreciate you guys watching the video. I know it's a lot of boring, repetitive stuff. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, Kay24crx, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kay24crx. And I appreciate you guys. Deuces.